you know Zone Ingti Kathar? You know, you have heard the name?
Yes, sir.
Zone Ingti Kathar.
Yes, sir. I
Your
have.
relative or?
No, sir. It's just that we belong from the same surname, Ingti Kathar.
Yeah.
And it happens that he's quite famous in Karju because he is an ex-IS officer promoted from ACS. And currently he lives 10 kilometers from my hometown in Tika Hills.
He's not staying at Goa?
Sir, he keeps frequenting between Guwahati, Tika and Difu. Okay, sir.
Current matters.
Current affairs besides.
Current affairs more. So I'm reading Sentinel, Assam Tribune, Aro, Hindu and Indian Express.
So, to my English to I am reading, but I have been reading.
I have been reading, yes.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Whatever newspaper you go through, you should concentrate on the main issues which dominate the press.
Yes.
Okay? So now you see this Israel war,
Israel Gaza.
or and again this COP,
Yes, COP28.
that again
370.
okay,
Article 370.
370, Article 370. Then you Myanmar,
Yes, sir.
Myanmar,
Yes.
and our own place Manipur.
Yes, sir.
These are the current topics.
Yes, sir.
And people will, in the interview, they will ask you about any damn topic that comes to their mind. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So you will have to be thorough about all these matters.
Yes.
I mean, so I go through from today. You go through the newspaper as you go through your own textbooks. Next comes Ahut history. That is a favorite topic, and favorite necessarily it should be,
Yes, sir.
because you are going to be in Assam
Some
civil
civil
service.
service.
So Ahut history you have to know. So people, they do not ask details about anything. They will try to extract what you know without giving giving any input from their side. They will try to know what you know about the history. Such a question I have been asking all who have come here.
Okay.
You may be asked which Ahut king is the best as per your assessment. Which Ahut king is the best as per your assessment?
I think, as far as my assessment,
Yes, your own assessment.
so recently I have not read. It's only during my mains exam. I would think Suhumung.
It's all right.
Yes.
It's all right. But you don't remember kings. Remember my question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You go through the history once. It's not a very serious sort of reading. You need to go thoroughly over well. But you have to know sufficiently about a king and his deeds, which prove his efficacy.
Yes.
Okay? Ekta Saibola, Ahom history, Aro current affairs. Aro India's international relationship. Aro the globe is there. Cobra Prasna, they only know. There is no limit to questions. But these are some areas most likely to appear. Georgia, Biology, Hirigurda, Ekta Salah. There are types of road. Specifically, I am going to last suitable person. Your appearance, your way of speaking, your way of dealing with the questions, these things are very good. We don't have anything to criticize you.
Okay.
All well. We expect that নয়লা বসি ভাল হ'ব খালি তোমাৰ এটাই অভাৱ মই দেখিলো অভাৱটো হৈছে তুমি এখনো নভেল পঢ়া নাই and you did graduation in English literature.
So I was interested in economics, but because I didn't have
Did you study English literature?
yes, sir, English literature.
Honors in English literature?
Yes, sir.
That being honors, being an honors graduate in English, you have not read a single fiction that seems to be very absurd.